Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be unboxing this quarter's Ipsy Iconbox. So if you would like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. So this quarter's box was curated by sisters Erin and Sarah Foster. They are the daughters of David Foster, who is a famous composer, record producer, musician, and he's also worked with Catherine McPhee as well as so many other artists. And inside, it kind of tells about the sisters as well as their favorite products. All right, so the first product in the Iconbox is the Kapari KP Body Bumps Be Gone Smoothing Body Lotion. This has 3% AHA in it. It also has shea butter, sweet almond oil, as well as aloe leaf juice. This is going to minimize as well as resurface the look of body bumps or dry patches. And then all of those amazing ingredients are not only going to moisturize, but they're also going to soften and calm the skin as well. Next in the box, we've got the Joy Leave-In Soothing Scalp Serum. This is going to detoxify, relieve any itchiness, as well as control flaking. And here is what it looks like. So this is plant-based and cruelty-free. It's got a natural fragrance, and it is also safe for all hair types, including colored and treated hair. It's also formulated with fermented blueberry, witch hazel, rice water, and carrot. So fermented ingredients are known to rise the lactic acids as well as the amino acids. And they're also known for their powerful benefits as well as increased potency and penetration. So those fermented superfoods are not only going to moisturize, but they're also going to detoxify as well as relieve the scalp. Next in the Iconbox is a product that I am very familiar with. This is the Beauty Stat Universal Triple Action Daily Peel. There are 10 treatments inside this box, and they are just little like wipes or pads that you rub across your face, and it gets rid of any dead skin cells and just really rejuvenates the skin. This is like a chemical peel at home. This is going to improve fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and just soften your overall skin texture. Next in the box, we've got the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. And this is going to really transform the skin. It's going to target dark spots, fine lines, wrinkles, and skin texture. And it's supercharged with high potency AHAs. This is infused with sandalwood, chamomile, and licorice extracts, so it's gentle enough to use daily. Next in the Iconbox, we've got the Origins Youthtopia Peptide Plumping Apple Cream. This is formulated with apple oil as well as fermented apple peels. This can be used AM to PM, but I was so bummed that it doesn't smell like apples, but it doesn't smell bad either. Not only is this going to moisturize, but it's also going to plump the skin and give you that youthful glow. Next, we have the Kosas Blush is Life Baked Dimensional and Brightening Blush. This is in the shade Hype, which is a warm poppy pink, and it is so, so cute. And I do have this on my cheeks today. This blush has squalane as well as hyaluronic acid, so not only is it going to give you that beautiful blushed look, but it's also good for the skin as well. Next in the Iconbox, we've got the Natasha Denona Bronze Palette. And as you can see, we have that super reflective, iconic Natasha Denona packaging. And opening it up, it looks a little something like this. It is so, so gorgeous, you guys. Just a beautiful, neutral, bronzy palette. Last but not least, in the icon box for this quarter is the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum. Sorry, I totally forgot what it was called. But this is in the shade Petal Glow, and it looks a little something like this. So overall, the product is very, very light, so I don't feel like there's a whole lot in here. I do like the formula, however, it almost is so soft that it feels melted, so it makes it a little hard to work with. I feel like using a brush with this product would probably be the better bet, but it is so pretty nonetheless and just gives your lips that perfect shine. The product is so soft, you guys, that it gets kind of messy around the tip here, but it is a click. And there is the product. Well, that is it, you guys, for this quarter's Ipsy Icon Box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive inside your Icon Box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me this Icon Box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.